tal, Luis?
Bien, bien, ¿usted?
Tirándole, Luis.
Qué bueno. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We're back. We're back in the taco, and we're gonna do a simple install that's gonna change the whole look of this truck. And I am extremely freaking excited because I love this part. So let's go outside and check out what we're gonna change, shall we? I don't know why I turned it on. This grill has got to go. We have just purchased a TRD PRO grill. Let's go check it out. This is the TRD PRO grill. It does have lights. They're the smoked amber lights. I just wanted to go with the slicker style. These letters do come separate, so you do have to bolt them up. It looks great and it's easy to do. So I'll link the description. I'll link the product in the description below so you guys can check it out and maybe get one for yourself. The only thing that bothers me is a little bit of the letters, but nonetheless, it looks amazing. So it should be a simple install. We should just remove some bolts, we should just remove some clips, and it should come right off. So I believe it's a 10 mil. We'll check. So again, we just have to remove some clips, some bolts. They're right here, and some bolts that should be down there, or some clips actually. Should be some clips down here. So get a glance of the before. Let's see how this goes, shall we? Let's start removing all these bolts and clips, and let's take this damn grill off, shall we? Because goddamn, it looks so ugly. But anyway, guys, I'm so excited. I just love this grill. I got it with the silver letters, as you can tell, so it matches the truck. Alrighty, so now that we have the grill off, so you guys can tell, we need to remove all these clips off and all these screws. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we had just taken off this old grill and we are now going to install the new one. Let me just flip it over. So, out with the old, in with the new. Nice. It looks. Look at that thing. Jesus Christ. Let's go mock this thing up. It looks hella great. So now I'm gonna try to do the wiring. I hope I do it right. I really do. So bear with me while I do the wiring. So okay. I don't know what I did, but I was able to actually install the lights onto the truck. I'll link a video down below so you guys can actually watch it and do as that guy says to do it, because I just followed kind of his steps on how to actually wire this thing up. But it looks great. Just look at that. So I'll just have a little cinematic shoot here at the end. It was a breeze to actually install this, less than an hour. I'm actually extremely stoked and happy on how it came out. So let's just get the cinematic shoot going and let's go. Well guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little clip. We just bought a drone and that's how we're getting this footage. I love this goddamn grill, guys. It looks so damn good. Just look at it. Look at it. Oh, this project is gonna be so freaking amazing, guys. So yeah, we're gonna be using a lot more of that drone, guys. I'm so stoked. I've never had one, and that's just gonna make our videos 100 times better. Better footage, better everything, better b-roll. It's just gonna be amazing, guys. So again, if you enjoyed today's video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, because it helps me and it helps the algorithm, the channel. It's gonna be completely different as to it how it is right now. Just look at it, take a mental image, and it's gonna be different. Trust me, trust me. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys coming in and checking out the video. A lot more stuff is coming. Trust me on that one. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Until next time, peace out.